Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to make simple intro of running lines. Like this one. So let's get started. Open your Adobe Premiere and make new project. First go in the file. New and legacy title. Give it name logo and hit OK. Select text tool and choose any font you like. I'll choose Borg. Write anything you want. I write my name. Make font size to 500 and kerning to 50. Center it and close it. Open project and drag it to timeline. Since we are not using sound, give more space to video section. Go again in file new and legacy title, give this one name. Line 1. Select line and draw a horizontal line under the text. Make line width to 20 and close it. Go to your project and drag line 1 to your timeline. Double-click line 1 from your timeline. Select Move tool and adjust line to perfect and close it. Go to your project and right-click on line 1 and copy. Go in empty space, right-click and paste. Drag it to timeline, leaving space between both. Double-click on copy 1. Select moving tool and move line on top of text using arrow key. Make same distance as bottom one and close it. Go again in file new and legacy title. Give this one name. Line 2. Select line and draw vertical line. Like this. Make line width to 20 and close it. Go into your project and drag line 2 in between both line 1s. Double click on line 2. Select moving tool and adjust it using arrow keys and close it. Go to your project and right-click on line 2 and copy. Go in empty space, right-click and paste. Drag it to timeline on top. Double-click on it. Select moving tool and move line to other end using arrow keys. Or drag. Adjust perfect and close it. Now select your logo. And go in Effect Controls. Make sure your time is set to 0. Select Scale to 0. Active Toggle Animation. Then set time to 1 second from your timeline. And scale to 100 from Effect Controls and hit Enter. Play from 0 to 1 second. This is how it looks. Now go in Effect and type crop. and drag it to all of your lines. Select line 1 from your timeline. Make sure your time is set to 1 second. Go into Effect Controls. Scroll down to See Crop. Set right to 100. This means your line will disappears. Active Toggle Animation. Set your time to 2 seconds from your timeline. And right to 0 and enter. Then select line 2 from your timeline. Make sure your time is set to 2 seconds. Go into Effect Controls. Scroll down to See Crop. Set top to 100 and Active Toggle Animation. Set your time to 3 seconds from your timeline. And top to 0 and enter. Select copy of line 1 from your timeline. Make sure your time is set to 3 seconds. Go into Effect Controls. Scroll down to See Crop. Set left to 100 and Active Toggle Animation. Set your time to 4 seconds from your timeline. And left to 0 and enter. Select copy of line 2 from your timeline. Make sure your time is set to 4 seconds. Go into Effect Controls. Scroll down to See Crop. Set bottom to 100 and Active Toggle Animation. Set your time to 5 seconds from your timeline. And bottom to 0 and enter. Set your timeline to 0. And play. This is how it looks. If you rearrange it, you can make it clockwise. Or like this. Thank you for watching.